These are the newest No Limits, No Regrets stickers. They can go on cars, toolboxes, grills, almost anything. Now I know some of you are going to ask, well, how much horsepower do I gain by adding this to my car? I hate to break it to you, but these are not the magic stickers that somehow improve your horsepower. They are just to make you look cooler. Now you see how this old design was just a one-piece rectangle like that? These are a little bit different. I'm going to show you how in a second. The first step is to remove the old sticker if you have one in place. So I just use a little bit of acetone and a razor blade and kind of work around the area to get it off. Start at a corner. And sometimes if they've been out in the sun, they get a little bit dried, so they might come off a little bit brittle. You might end up basically shaving the whole thing off. Once you've scraped all the sticker off as much as you can, get all that to the side. Throw that over here for now. And then get your acetone and just make sure that surface is real clean. Wipe it clean, and then you can just kind of give it a few seconds and let it dry. And now you want to get your new sticker centered. And what I'm going to do on this car is I've got a line right here that centers the shield with the rear window defrost, and I've got an antenna there to center it as well. Plus I have these lines going across that'll let me get it angled right. Now that that's dry, what I do is I take half of the back piece, so peel up a corner here. So I take half of the backing and fold it over to make a flat. That way this line is my direct center. So now what I'm going to do, get it angled right, and I'm going to put it up. All right, so I'm going to put it right there, centered along that line and centered towards the antenna. I'm going to put it down here. Now you can use a squeegee or just a lot of force on your fingers. And go from the middle outward. And what you really want to focus on is wherever the white is. So wherever that actual sticker is where you want it pressed down. Because this, unlike the old ones, this clear piece is going to come off when we're done. So then slowly start peeling the backing out. And just continue to flatten out where the graphics are. And again, you don't have to get all this perfect. You just have to make sure that the graphics are right. They're centered in the way you like it. And then you and there's the new sticker. It may not have increased your horsepower, but it definitely increased the cool factor. Subscribe to my YouTube channel below and let's celebrate turning fuel and air into adrenaline.